This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Angela Cage. Lakeview House. Ranch style, split floor plan, living room and hearthroom, space galore, and kitchen bar, but you must see it in person. The deck has the perfect view of the lake, playground, and pavilion of the private park that it's attached to. This one won't last long, so please be prepared to see it in the first 2 days of being listed. Please wear a mask upon entrance. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Cage at 901-221-4041.